Hi COMEDK 2025 aspirants. So the mock results are already out now, and now many of you might be in a situation where you have not been allotted any seat in the mock round, right? There may be many of you in this situation, but let me tell you that this is just a mock round and you can still modify your choice filling so that you can get a seat in the final allotment. Okay, so this is for all those students who have not been allotted any seat or have been allotted a seat in the like the bottom college in their list. So I'll tell you how you can modify your choice filling so that you can get a better seat in the final round. Okay, so let's start this with and we have today's content. First one is why you should not panic at this situation. Okay, I'll be telling you 3 reasons for here. The second one we are talking about is why you didn't get a seat, what mistakes you did that you didn't get a seat. This is very important to know so that you can rectify your mistakes in this before the final round and you can end up getting a seat in the final allotment. The third one is what you should do now. So we came to know about the mistakes. Now what things that you should follow so that you will be getting a seat in the final round. And lastly, we'll talk about what mistakes you should be avoiding and my final advice for all of you. Okay, so moving to the first thing is that first, please do not panic. There are very important and genuine reason for here that not getting a seat in the mock round is very common. You won't believe thousands of students are there who won't be getting any seat in the mock round, but they still end up getting a very good college in the final round. So mock allotment is just a trial. Okay, it's not the final allotment. The purpose is to help you to analyze and edit your option entry. So the purpose here is if you are not getting a seat, it is a I can say a warning for you or an alert for you that you need to modify your choice filling so that you get a seat. So you still have time to correct your preferences before the final allotment. So if we have time, we will definitely use it, and how to use it, what all things we have to do, those all things will be told by me. You can just refer this and make your choice entry much better, right students? So first of all, just leave this tension, leave this panic that you have not got any seat. It is very common. Few students only get who make their choice filling properly, other students don't get, but yes, there is no harm in that. We can still have time and we can still modify our choice entry. Okay, so now coming to the thing to understand why you didn't get the seat. Okay, so if we know the reason, then only we can solve the problem, right? So let's first understand. So there will be 2 reasons for that. The first is you have entered too few options only you have entered. So there are many colleges who have entered only, many students who have entered only 5 to 10 colleges. Okay, your option, your choice filling contains so less colleges that if the COMEDK wants to allot you also, the colleges that you have entered, their cutoff is too high from your rank. So that is why COMEDK was not able to allot you any seat. Okay, so COMEDK allows you to enter unlimited options. So there is no restriction in the number of choices that you can enter. So why not take the benefit of this advantage that is given to you? So now what you have to do, you have to enter at least 100 plus options. Okay, so with limited choices, your chances drop drastically. In the same way, if you are giving more options to the COMEDK will definitely allot you the seat, right? So the second reason is only top colleges selected. So you have selected only top colleges like RBCE, MSRIT or BMSC where the cutoff is too high compared to your rank, right? So these have very high cutoffs, especially for popular branches, and your rank might not match these cutoffs. So that is why it is very important to have a clear idea about the cutoffs that we had in 2024. So that tells you what all branches are available for my rank, what all colleges, what all branches will be in my rank range. Those colleges you have to pick up, right? Okay, so next, the very important question, ma'am, you told us that not to panic. You also told us what was our mistake. Now please tell us the solution. So that is where we will be talking about 4 solutions that you should be doing. The first one is to add more colleges. If you have added only 5-10 colleges, now you should be adding more colleges to the list. Okay, so include at least 100 plus colleges, mix the top, mid and safe tier colleges. Okay, so you have to add those colleges whose cutoff is very high from your rank, at least 60 colleges where the cutoff is in range of your rank, and at least 30 to 40 colleges where the cutoff is below your rank. Okay, so you have a safe option, a mid option, realistic option and some dream options. Next, consider colleges in other cities if you are open to relocation. So what happens generally, see, there will be 2 colleges with same facilities and everything, but if the college is located in Bangalore, generally they have higher cutoff, okay, because of the location. So you can choose if you are ready to relocate to other places, or if you are not very confined to have college in Bangalore only, you can look for other locations where the cutoff will be slightly lower. You can check for Tumkur, Dharwad, okay, these are Belgaum, these are some places where also we have good colleges. Okay, next thing, that is explore alternative branches. This is very, very important. See, if you are a person who is interested in technical branches and you are only looking for computer science, so computer science we know is a highly cluttered branch. There is so high cutoff for this particular branch, but what you can do here, you can act a bit smart and you can select those branches which has computer science with some allied branches, or you can even select AI branches. You can also select EC branches. Okay, so these are all technical branches, especially computer science with allied courses. There are so many allied courses. You have computer science with data science, computer science with AI, you have computer science with cyber security, computer science with IoT, computer science with blockchain, computer science and robotics. There are hundreds of options here. So please try to explore them, because computer science is something which is having very high cutoff. But with taking these branches, you are getting an extra mastery over one particular extra subject plus the basic computer science, right? So that is why please do consider alternative branches. Next, reorder your preferences smartly. So what you have to do, you have to reorder your options. As I told you, 10 to 20 colleges should be those options, those choices whose cutoff is very high from your rank. Those are your dream colleges. Next, 60 options you should put those colleges or choices where your cutoff is near. Okay, so for example, if your rank is 32,000, so what you should be considering, if your, one second, yeah, suppose your rank is 30,000, you should consider the main focus should be on those colleges whose cutoff, whose cutoff is from 15k to 30k. Okay, so in this 15,000 rank gap, so in this 15,000 rank gap, you will have to find 60 colleges. Okay, 62, I can say 70 colleges, right? Just don't follow the rank. In this 60 colleges, you will sort out 60 choices. I'll say 60, not colleges. You should find out 60 choices. Okay. In these choices, you have to arrange them based on their placements, their infrastructure, right? The faculties. So just go through their website, check the placement especially, and then you find whichever college placement is good, put them at the top and then the rest colleges, right? So this 60 to 70 choices, you have to arrange them. The top 10 colleges, top 20 colleges, you may do some arrangement. If you don't do properly, doesn't matter. Backup options, if you don't do, that also is fine. But these 60 to 70 colleges, check each and every course properly. Check the placement, check the infrastructure, check the faculties. If you have some people, seniors studying out in those colleges, talk to them and then make or arrange these 60 choices, which is very, very important, because you will be getting some college from these 60 choices only. So make sure that these 60 choices are preferred. The one which is your highest preference should be at the top. Top means first 20 is gone, okay? You have put all the dream options. The 21st college should be, the 21st choice will be from these 60 choices, and the one which is the most important one should be at the 21st number, right? Next, if I tell you that keep some backup options at the end, this is this is, I can say, non-negotiable. You have to keep backup options because you have already seen that you have not got any college in the mock round. Okay, so if you are not keeping backup options, it is a blunder that you are doing. So you have to add at least 20 to 30 backup options. Means, again, if I take, for example, if your rank is 32K, you should add 40 or 30 colleges whose cutoff is from 33K to, I can say, for 50K. In this range, at least best 50 or best 30 options in this range you have to add as a backup option. Okay, next we have mistakes that you should be avoiding now. So first of all, you should not be panicking at all. Okay, this is just a mock round, and you can still you can modify your choice filling, and you can end up in getting a college in the final allotment. So please don't panic and delete everything. Don't get frustrated. Don't do anything like that. Don't copy others' list blindly. Somebody, your friend has prepared, just you are copying that. That also you don't do. Do your own research. We have made a lot of videos on how to prepare the option entry. So we have given you a tool also how you can analyze the ranks and everything we have given you. So please make your own choice filling. Next, don't ignore backup options because already you have seen that you are not getting any seat in the mock allotment. If you don't add backup options now, the same thing will happen in the first round also, right? So that is why please add backup options. Again and again I am saying, how many backup options? At least 20 to 30 backup options should be there in your list. Next, don't assume the mock result will be the same as the final. Okay, if you have got a top college or if you have not got any college, so don't think that it will be the same one. Okay, many students will edit now, so the rank will shift, the rank can shift. So there is a high probability to that you will get a seat in the final allotment. So please understand this and don't get disheartened or demotivated. Clear? Next, we have my final advice for all of you. So take mock allotment as a learning opportunity here. What mistakes you did, you should be knowing, and you should be correcting it for the final option entry. Next, make changes realistically and confidently. So you should be adding more colleges in the realistic choices. Those 60 choices are your first focus. That should be properly arranged, properly researched. Okay. Next, a well-balanced option. If you add dream colleges, realistic options and backup options, there is no way that COMEDK is not allotting you any seat. COMEDK has to allot you a seat, so you must check the options very clearly, and the one which you are highly interested in, that should always be at the top. Next, we have, it's not just about the top colleges, it's about what suits your rank and goals. So it is not that you have to put only the top colleges or only those colleges which are very, very famous. Please do proper research. Your career aspirations, your goals are fulfilled by which college. Those colleges should be your priority, right? So that's all in this video, students. I hope this was helpful, and please don't get demotivated. You can still use our tool. You can just research in the websites of different colleges. We in our channel have made hundreds of videos regarding the COMEDK option entry, which are the top colleges and all. So please consider that. Check each and every college and courses that you are entering and modify your choice filling. If you do this in the final allotment, definitely you will get a seat, right? So that's all in this video, and thank you for watching and all the very best.